Hi best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Oh my goodness, you guys, where am I? Secret number 1 revealed. I have a new craft studio. Look at it. It is awesome. I've got 2 windows right here. I've got vintage wallpaper. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Secret, actually I guess maybe I have 3 secrets. A new craft room, 1. 2, a new home. Yes, this was not expected, you guys. Let me get a little closer. This was not at all something that we had planned, my husband and I. But sometimes when an opportunity comes along, you have to jump at it. And that's exactly what we did. We jumped off the deep end. We purchased a fixer-upper home. Yeah, it has to have work before we can even move in. So I thought, well, I could just incorporate that into Cathy's Garden YouTube channel and it will be fine. But I don't think so, because a lot of people just tune in to find out how you make something, how you put together a journal, some pieces of ephemera. You know what we do here. So I decided to start a second channel. That's right, second channel. Now, it's not quite up yet, but when it is, there's going to be a link down below to the new channel. I'm still toying with the name. I kind of think I know what I want. I kind of think I know what I want for the name, but I'm not 100% positive on that. So we've got a new craft room, we have a new home, and we have a new channel. Oh my goodness, things sure do change quickly around here, don't they? Let me show you this beautiful vintage wallpaper. There's just one little spot right there that it can be easily fixed, and I'm going to keep it. Yeah, I'm going to keep this wallpaper. Let's look at a close-up view of the vintage wallpaper. Here's that spot that I was talking about. It doesn't need much, just a little bit right there. But look how beautiful it is. I absolutely love it. It's perfect. Now let me take you from the very front. The French doors, and they open up. Both sides open up. So we have the double door, and then this is the view around this way. Look at the ceiling, you guys. I think I'm even going to keep my chandelier. All right, so you walk in, and along this wall right here, I was thinking of a powder-coated white metal shelf across from here to here. And it would be, so when the door is open, it would be from the edge of the door to the corner. Now, I found some powder-coated metal wire shelves, and after making my video where I took you for the tour of the craft room I have now in my other house, a lot of people said the IKEA shelves are not sturdy enough to hold lots of weight. So I have a company that I order certain things from, and they have powder-coated metal shelves. And it's not that expensive. Okay, a couple $100, but yeah, I think that will work perfect right there. And you won't see it when you first walk in. It will be on the wall where the doors are, so it's kind of out of sight. Now, I've got I'm gonna step back. I've got 2 really nice windows here. I was thinking right here between the 2 windows, possibly putting like a library type table with my printer. I was thinking that, or even just that unit that I have right now. I know it's echoey in here, sorry about that. Even the unit that I have right now with my printer on it, I was thinking I could put it right there. Right here in this corner. Now let me set my tripod down. I was thinking of an L shape, the desk that I have now, either putting it straight like this, or I could turn it like this and then have another table come out this way where I could put my sewing machine on. Because I'm right-handed, so this is where my mouse and my glue gun would be, and I've got a plug right there for that. And then I could turn and be right here for my sewing machine, and there's another plug right here, and I think it might be out of the way. I'm not sure about the logistics about all of this, but I really thought an L shape would be good. I also have my TV monitor screen. Now that needs to be in front of me, so this is all like, I don't know, because I don't really know, do I want another table out front? But I know you guys have all kinds of good ideas, because when I did that tour of my craft room, y'all just told me all kinds of stuff. You know, about the IKEA shelving. I didn't know that about the IKEA shelving. So I thought that was really good. I also thought I could even bump it out a little further and maybe put a Wayfair or some kind of nice shelving right here. And yes, I would choose white. And, you know, maybe has some drawers that come out this way or some nooks, you know how they are. Because I don't have a closet in this room. And without a closet, I don't know what I'm going to do with my Etsy stuff. You know, the stuff that I have ready to ship out for all of you that's purchased items. So maybe like a shelving unit there that I could possibly keep my Etsy products in. This is all just a thought. So let me pick up the tripod again. All right, so we were right there talking about my desk, the sewing machine, and possibly a unit right there. So let's turn to the other corner, and I have another set of doors. Now these doors open up to the kitchen, but I'm not going to show you the kitchen. That's what the other channel's going to do. It's going to show putting the roof on, doing the plumbing, putting in the floors, refinishing the cabinets in the kitchen. Oh my goodness, you guys, there's a lot of work to be done. Also, my husband is building a huge workshop in the back because there's property in the back. We have about 2 acres here. So we have downsized the property because we have 8 acres now, and we're going down to 2, but the house is bigger, and yes, it is nicer. So I'm super excited, you guys. Oh my goodness, we're going to fix up this craft room. We've got a lot of packing to do. We have to unpack, we have to organize, and I want to bring you all along. I hope you're up for this move, because I surely am. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.